Mathematics 1, January 2016 exam, question 2. Express the following fractions in terms of powers of prime numbers. The number 6 here is made up of 2 times 3, and the number 100 here is actually 10 squared, and 10 is 2 times 3. So let's rewrite those two bits so that the 6 is 2 times 3 and the 100 is 2 times 5 squared. Now we've got 2 times 3 times 5 all to the power of 4, so that's 2 to the 4 times 3 to the 4 times 5 to the 4. We've got a 3 squared here, a 2 squared there, and a 5 squared there. So expanding the brackets and putting them in order, we've got 2 to the 4 times 3 to the 4 times 5 to the 4, 2 to the 2 times 3 to the 2 times 5 to the 2. 2 squared will cancel with 2 of those. 3 squared will cancel with 2 of those, and 5 squared will cancel with 2 of those, giving us the answer 2 squared times 3 squared times 5 squared. Part 2. 12 is made up of 2 times 2 times 3, 9 is made up of 3 times 3, and 42 is 6 times 7, and 6 is 2 times 3, so that's 2 times 3 times 7. So getting the prime factors of all those numbers gives us 2 times 2 times 3 squared times 3 cubed divided by 2 times 3, which is 6, times 7, and 6 times 7 is 42, to the power of 4. So let's expand the brackets. We've got 2 times 2, which is 2 to the 2, and there's a squared outside, so that's 2 to the 4. We've got 3 squared there. 3 cubed times 3 cubed is 3 to the 6, times 3 squared is 3 to the 8. And then on the bottom we've got 2 to the 4, 3 to the 4, and 7 to the 4. So clearly 2 to the 4 there will cancel with 2 to the 4 there. 3 to the 4 there will cancel with 4 of those, which gives us 3 to the 4 over 7 to the 4. And just to be a little bit tidier, we can write 3 to the 4 times 7 to the minus 4. Part B. Evaluate the following fractions. Evaluate means find a value for. The first thing to do is to change this divide by 18 over 21. If you think about it, dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by a half. So dividing by 18 over 21 is the same as multiplying by 21 over 18. So we can rewrite our first expression in this way here. Now we can do some cancelling. 7 goes into 21 3 times, so the 7 will cancel and 21 becomes 3. 9 goes into 27 3 times and into 18 twice, so they will cancel down. 14 and 8 have a common factor of 2, so that's the same as 7 over 4. So we can rewrite the right hand side as 7 over 4 times 3 over 1 times 3 over 2. Now, because this is a multiplication, we multiply the 3 by the 3 to give us 9, and we multiply 2 by 1, which will give us 2. That term becomes 9 over 2. However, the 7 is over 4, so I'm going to change the 9 over 2 to 18 over 4, so we've got a common denominator. So we've got, in effect here, 7 quarters plus 18 quarters, which is going to give us 25 quarters. Part B2, divide by 14 over 2 is the same as multiply by 2 over 14, so we can rewrite that part of it. We can divide 35 by 7 and 14 by 7, giving us 5 over 2. 2 over 2 is 1, and 25 on the denominator and 25 on the numerator will cancel, which means that we can rewrite that as 5 over 1 times 11 over 1, which means that we have the final answer of 5 over 11.